Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between stock and supply. In common parlance, supply means making something available or providing something. In economics, supply is used in the context of goods. It means the quantity of goods offered for sale by the producer in the market at a given price and time. It is often contrasted with stock, which refers to the excess of goods present in the market over the goods supplied. While supply is obtained from stock, the stock is the result of production. In other words, the total quantity of finished goods present with the seller is stock, whereas that part of the stock that is offered for sale is a supply. So, let's look into the basic differences between stock and supply in a tabular form. Difference number 1. By the term stock we mean the total volume of goods that can be brought to the market on short notice, for the purpose of selling and distribution, whereas supply indicates the number of goods which is offered for sale in the market. It is that part of the stock which the seller has made available for sale in the market. Number 2. When it comes to the time dimension, the stock has no time dimension, whereas supply is measured with reference to time, that is, per year, per month, per week, or per day. Number 3. The stock of a commodity is measured at a specific point in time, whereas we measure supply over a particular period of time. Number 4. The stock of the commodity is based on production, whereas the supply of the commodity depends on price, along with other factors. Number 5. The stock of goods is independent of supply, so it can be more than or less than the supply of goods, whereas the supply of commodity depends on the stock. Therefore, it is usually less in comparison to the stock, as stock includes current as well as previous stock. Number 6. As supply is concerned with the period of time, it is a flow concept. It keeps on changing and displays an ongoing activity, that is why it is dynamic in nature. Oppositely, the stock is static in nature because the stock is calculated at a specific point in time, so it provides a record of the total quantity of a commodity on that date. Number 7. The stock of goods facilitates in meeting the unexpected rise in the demand for the product in the market on short notice. On the other hand, goods are supplied by the company to offer for sale and generate revenue. And, difference number 8, as the production of goods increases, the stock also increases, whereas the supply of the goods increases with an increase in the stock.